What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Jet. Are you designing a children's book or poster, website, or app aimed at little ones? It can be difficult to find fonts that balance a childlike charm with stylish flair, but I'm positive you'll find something here to delight young and old. The best bit, these fonts are all free to use for commercial projects, from rounded sans serifs, fun and frivolous display fonts. There's something here to suit every children-focused project, from picture books to learning websites to wall art posters. And of course, I've included the links on where to download these fonts at the description below. By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post one of these videos. Okay, let's go check out those fonts. Quicksand. Rounded fonts don't feature ornate serifs or complex letter forms, making them exceptionally easy to read for early learners. Quicksand manages to balance a rounded design with a stylish, minimal aesthetic. Free to download from Font Squirrel, the download includes a broad range of weights and styles, including glyphs and dashed, a versatile all-rounder for setting text in children's books. Caroni. Named after a bird sanctuary in the Caribbean island of Trinidad, Caroni has a suitably natural laid-back feel. A handwritten script font that's generously spaced and full of naive charm, this is a lovely novelty font for using across a range of media aimed at younger audiences. Multilingual support is also included for Western, Central, and Eastern European languages, making this a versatile font choice for those looking to translate their publications. Comforta. Designed by Johan Ekerland, Comforta has a nostalgic personality. Reminiscent of rounded font styles favored during the 1960s and 1970s, the font combines a retro styling with readability, making it a perfect fit for designers who want to give their children's publication wistful appeal. Available in 3 weights, Comforta is highly legible set at both body and headline text, making it a versatile font choice. Learning Curve. Great for handwriting practice notebooks. This is free to download at the font site. Spilt Ink. Designing a children's book with themes of school, arts, or crafts, Spilt Ink is a messy, mischievous font with heaps of personality. Best used as a display font for titles or headlines rather than as smaller body text. Maximize its charms by experimenting with bright, bold colors. Designed by Walter Veles, Spilt Ink is free to download from Font Squirrel. Yeah, Pop-Up Font. Made by Rafa Miguel, it's a narrow handwritten type of font. You can download this from Font Spring. Helsinki. A minimalist twist on comic book style, Helsinki is a refined version of the designer Vic Flagger's own handwriting. Chunky and slightly slanted, the font is ultra-legible and has a fun, intrepid spirit. Try using this font in picture books themed on adventure and escapism. This handwritten font is free to download on Font Squirrel. Headhunter. Ignore the mildly threatening title for a moment. Headhunter would be the perfect font choice for designs themed on dinosaurs or dogs. Inject your design with a sense of fun and novelty with this free font designed by David Rakonski. Firecat. The perfect fit for a children's book about animals or outdoor adventure, Firecat has a wild spirit that has a highly retro feel. Embellish your book cover designs, posters, or current strips with this carefree Jungle-inspired font available to download for free. Lily. A cute and bouncy rounded sans serif font, Lily is saccharine sweet and easy to read for young learners. Created by Apostrophic Labs, Lily has a versatility for smaller body text or titles, making it a good all-rounder for children's design. Download Lily at Font Squirrel. Short Stack. Designed by Sorkin Type Company, Short Stack is a naively drawn handwritten font with childlike rounded letter forms. Generously spaced between letters, Short Stack would be the ideal font for demonstrating the letters of the alphabet or for teaching new words to younger children. With a compressed X height, Short Stack feels less intimidating and more relaxed with some jauntier handwritten fonts, making it an excellent font choice for very young audiences. Last would be Playtime with Hot Toddies. Available as a free download in 3 styles, Playtime with Hot Toddies is a playful and casual handwritten font based on current type styles. Individual curves and letter forms give the font a more authentic look, while the rounded letter forms and thick marker pen lines preserve legibility. An adaptable and joyful font for children's book or children's websites. So these are just a few of those fonts that you can use for your children's book or any other children-focused projects. When you're on those font sites I've mentioned, try searching for more of the same type of font, and maybe you'll find one that will suit your next book or project. So did you find this video helpful? Please share your comments below. I love reading comments and replying to them. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share this on social media. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Keep on watching and keep learning. Bye!